Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials I'm going to show you how to create professional business email account in your hosting. So if you have a website and create a business email match with your domain, then you can continue this video. Also, if you have purchased the hosting from Hostinger, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Also, you can follow this tutorial because here I am going to share the easy video guidelines so that you can create your email without any developers. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log in your hosting account in the cPanel. Then you have to search. You will find search bar in each hosting company or hosting dashboard. So I am going to search email. Then you have to click on the edit email. And from here you have to select your domain. So I'm going to select my domain party event QA and click on the manage. Now I have to click on the email account, then click on the create new email account, and here I'm going to type my new email. So I wanted to create info@partyeventqa.com. Then make this email account as admin, and I'm going to set a new password, then going to add a recovery email. Okay, then click on the create new account. Wow, our new business email has been created. info@partyeventqa has been successfully created, and now we have to verify domain. So this is very important part of your business email, because without verified domain you cannot send or receive any email. Okay, we're going to do this. So to verify this domain, I'm going to click verify domain button. My domain settings by domain management or DNS control panel. So I'm going to do this. Go into my hosting account, then search DNS here, and here the DNS zone editor. Now I have to configure this one. So first I have to type ms. So going to add a new DNS record, ms name point to ms1 titan email point to. Okay, then priority 10 ttl. Okay, then click on the add record. We have done first one, then going to add another second one. I have made these changes on my DNS control panel and click verify my domain. Okay, and these DNS changes can take up to 24 hours to reflect. So I hope you understand how to verify domain for email message. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you like this video, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.